The Adventure King's 250 watt folding solar blanket is the latest in camping solar design and technology. It combines the best features of a folding panel with a folding solar blanket, so it's the ultimate camping solar option. It's a feature-packed bit of gear that comes with everything you need to keep your 12-volt batteries charged off the grid, with up to 12.6 amps per hour. The first thing you'll notice is just how compact it folds up, at just 500mm by 680mm, which makes it easy to pack for any trip or carry around the campsite. Everything you need comes in the front pocket: a PWM solar controller, 4.4 extension lead, and a pair of alligator clips, all with quick connect plugs to make it fast and simple to set up. There's also integrated legs on each section of the blanket, so you can set it up on an angle to face the sun for maximum power. Each leg has an eyelet so you can easily peg it down, or you can fold them in to lay the blanket flat if need be. The 250 watt blanket also uses the latest solar technology with grade A monocrystalline solar cells. That means less heat spots, less power loss, and longer lasting solar cells. In other solar cells, electrical contacts run above the cell, which creates shade and power losses. In Adventure King's shingle cell technology, it runs underneath, meaning no shade and an efficiency boost. The whole unit is protected by tough 1680D polyester weaved material with a water-resistant PVC coating. With all these innovative features, including shingle cell technology and integrated legs, the Adventure King's 250 watt folding solar blanket is unbelievable value, and it makes it easy for everyone to have and use a top-notch solar system in their vehicle or at camp.